Are you tired of the same activities every day? Do you want out of this world educational experiences in your service? Then it's time you come beyond the Beanstalk. Get swept away with original stories from our Storytime STEM and Sustainable STEM programs. Our workshops combine natural sciences, physics, mathematics, sustainability, and storytelling into unique learning experiences. Every workshop comes with educator documentation, including a snapshot of the experience, an analysis of learning, follow-on activity ideas, and more. Students in childcare, preschool, primary school, and OSHC can enter the world of science, technology, engineering, and maths, and learn to think in new and wonderful ways. Just let us know the age group and we'll do the rest. What are you waiting for? Contact us today so we can bring you beyond the Beanstalk.